Video number 15. Big mistakes to avoid with GMB listings. If your business is not showing up for relevant search queries, then you probably need to look into your Google My Business profile. Most GMB issues can't be resolved through brute force. You need to start by auditing your listing and then addressing each problem accordingly. In this video, we share a step-by-step guide for conducting a technical GMB audit. 1. Brand dilution diagnosis. We want to ensure that Google assigns a certain amount of recognition or authority to our business. To find out, search for your own business name on Google. Does the brand query serve a knowledge graph? Do competitors or irrelevant results get served for the brand query? If a knowledge graph is not showing up for your brand query, and you're not only served with irrelevant results, then the following solutions can help. Brand insulation. Create and optimize authoritative profiles and social accounts. Leverage schema and data aggregation platforms. Reverse engineer your competitor's knowledge graph. 2. Address audit. Some local business owners overlook the accuracy of their business addresses in various online listings. To find out if you have this problem, drop the address from your Google My Business listing to melissa.com. It will list any issues with the specific address your business is using. You also want to look at your business PIN in Google Maps and make sure it's inside of the actual city limits. Here are more tips to resolve address issues. Fix non-existent suites. Update address formats. Modify expectations on service areas. 3. Fighting the possum filter. Google may filter out low-quality or spammy-looking GMB listings out of local search results. Make sure your business doesn't have duplicate listings that might affect your visibility. To check, paste your business address into the Google Maps search bar. Select the Nearby filter. This will present every other business that's registered at that address. Duplicate GMB listings are easy to handle when they're yours. 4. Phone number health check. Phone numbers can also cause problems on GMB listings. To avoid them, you'll want to ensure multiple businesses aren't using the same number. Identify data consistency issues, business listing issues, etc. You can look up your phone number using different variations in Google to double-check your contact info's consistency. Then using Google's advanced search operators, you can enter all as a search query. 5. Google My Business listing audit. Follow these tips to optimize your GMB profile. Completely fill out your listing. Feeding Google more data about your business will help you show up in relevant search results. Go the extra mile with attributes, images, Q&A, posts, reviews, etc. This helps you stand out in the local map pack. Smart category optimization. Find 4 of the most relevant categories to your business and don't go beyond that. Stay as niche as possible so that you can get quality leads from your listing. For multi-location service area businesses, follow the radi rule. If you're in one city and you have multiple locations, avoid overlapping with another one of your locations when creating your radius of service area. These overlaps can cause visibility issues. 6. Local signals. Focus on essential citations, such as Yelp and Yellow Pages and niche directories. Don't spend too much time on citations and start thinking about high-quality local signals. There are plenty of ways to build hyper-relevant and geo-specific links that don't involve shady citation sites. Are you making these big mistakes with your GMB listing? Make sure you're avoiding these common yet critical Google My Business pitfalls, whether you manage a single listing or thousands of them. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed learning with us.